Right, we've been given three coordinates, A, B and C. We need to find the equation of the line that passes through point C and is perpendicular to AB. So, if we find the gradient of the line AB, we can then do the negative reciprocal of that. So basically swap the sign, turn it upside down, and that will tell us the gradient of the line that we want. We can then do y equals mx plus c with this coordinate to get the equation. So let's work out the gradient of the line AB first of all. So the gradient is the change in the y coordinates divided by the change in the x coordinates. So in this case here, the change in the y coordinates, we'll do 6 take away 0. The change in the x coordinates is 1 take away -3. So I've just done 6 take away 0 divided by 1 take away -3. 6 take away 0 is 6, 1 take away -3 is 4, because the two negatives make a positive, and 6 over 4 simplifies to be 3 over 2. So that's the gradient of the line AB. So the gradient of the line that's perpendicular to that then will be the negative reciprocal of that. So this is positive, so our gradient is going to be negative. Reciprocal is 2 over 3. Just flip this round. So this is the gradient of the line that we want. So we can now say y equals -2 over 3x plus something. And we're going to use this coordinate here to work out what that something should be. So the x coordinate is 5, the y coordinate is 2. So we've got 2 equals -2 over 3 times 5 plus c. And unfortunately this is going to give us a bit of an awkward fraction here, so we're going to get -2 over 3 times 5 is -10 over 3. We're then going to have to add the 10 over 3 to the other side to work out what c is. So 2 plus 10 over 3 is c. In order to make this a bit simpler, let me get a common denominator. So 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1, which as a common denominator I can think of that as being 6 over 3. Which means that c is 16 over 3. Which allows me to then put this in here. So my equation is y equals -2 over 3x plus 16 over 3. But I need to write it in this form, where a, b and c are integers, so whole numbers. So first thing I want to do is to get this so it has integers rather than these fractions. So if I multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of this and this, I'll get 3y equals -2x plus 16. And then I want the x and the y to be on the same side, so I'm going to move that over there. It will become a positive, so I'll get 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. And that is my final answer. A is 2, B is 3, and C is 16. There we go.